Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Senator Dr. Norman Grant, first Vice President of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, says that consultations with stakeholders is critical to any adjustments of the minimum wage. He states, from where the small business sector is concerned, I think the process is what concerns me. If there's a massive increase without consultation, this will cause problems for employers. The process we recommend is that we have to consider the legal framework and the minimum wage commission. This is the process we strongly recommend. An increase could impact the sector negatively and create job loss if not combined with an increase in productivity. Our main concern is the process of consultation. The SBAJ is the oldest small business advocacy group and currently has 700 members. Executives of companies have announced career changes to investors. CIC 2000 Limited has advised that Mr. Michael Murray has stepped down from his role as financial controller effective August 28, 2025. Blue Power Group Limited has advised that Ms. Andreen Jones has been appointed Financial Controller effective September 1, 2025. Carreras Limited has advised that Mr. Andres Lorenzo has tendered his resignation as a Director of the Board of Carreras Limited and member of the Audit Committee effective August 31, 2025. Lasco Manufacturing Limited and Lasco Distributors Limited has advised that Mrs. Jason Hall Tracy has resigned from its Board of Directors effective July 30, 2025. Noted companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have released their financials. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited audited financials for the year ending June 30, 2025 reports a 29% decline in year-end net profit. Fontana Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending June 30, 2025 reports a year-end net profit of $591.56 million. Wisynco Group Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending June 30, 2025 reports a 15% decline in year-end net profit. For the trading period ending September 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,383,279 units traded, representing 39.73% of market sales volume. International hardware distributor Fosrich Company Limited with 970,614 units traded, representing 8.8% of market sales volume. Media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited with 460,760 units traded, representing 4.18% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $39.39 million purchased and $44.68 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.16 per dollar, selling the US at $160.88 and buying the US at $158.72. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.16 per transaction, with selling at $117.31 and buying at $113.15. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.61 in profit, with selling at $217.30 and buying at $214.69. For our credit report tip of the day, too many hardworking people still believe two myths about debt and credit. One, that debt will eventually disappear if you ignore it, and that banks are responsible for updating your credit report. Both ideas are false and costly. Ignoring debt doesn't erase it. It grows with interest, late fees, and penalties. And then trusting banks to correct your credit report leaves errors untouched, keeping your score lower than it should be. These misconceptions don't just hurt your credit, They block access to the very tools that working people need to achieve life goals like home ownership, education, business financing, and long-term wealth. When you are building something from nothing and rebuilding beyond financial resilience, we know that professional women over the age of 45 wear many hats: career builder, family nurturer, community leader. But often the role of chief financial officer of your own life gets pushed to the side. That's where our weekly CEO Hour comes in. By setting aside just 60 minutes each week to focus on your money, you create space to track progress, spot opportunities, and design strategies that strengthen your cash flow. This isn't about reacting to financial stress. It's about leading with intention and discovering consistent wins that build confidence and wealth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.